Get up. Come here. Get up. Juicy. Look. Sit. Get up. Stop it. Come here. Come on. Juicy. Sit. Sit. Come over here. Come in here.
Exactly.
Okay. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl.
I did find a lighter at my house yesterday, but it wasn't.
Come here. Bring it to me. Come here.
Do you have any idea who
Over
it
here.
was to?
Come get it.
Brett's business partner. He dropped
Come back.
it and
Sit. Juicy. Sit. Good girl. Lay down.
they own a big event planning company. They do
Come here.
openings, full-scale parties.
Come here.
Do you have any idea what they talked about?
Come here.
But they argued and it got pretty heated. This business partner, what's his name? Jeff.
Come here.
Jeff Sater.
Sit. 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 Lay down. Sit. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl.
It's about Brett.
Come here. Come here.
Heard what happened.
Look.
It's hard. The world keeps turning, right? Yes, it does. We found your lighter.
Sit.
at this house. We think
Come
we
here.
took this place.
Come
I
here.
had nothing to do with that. And why did you like it? I don't know. I must have dropped it. I also couldn't get an argument with